All right, so this question says Melvin pulls a sled across level snow with a force of 59 newtons along a rope that is 23 degrees above the horizontal. If the sled moved a distance of 19 meters, how much work did Melvin do? Answer in units of joules. All right, so we have our knowns here. We have the total force that Melvin's pulling on the rope as 59 newtons. We have the total displacement is 19 meters. And our theta is of the angle of the rope relative to the horizontal is 23 degrees. So if we look at our force diagram, the forces acting on the sled are as follows. We have the force of the rope being, or force of Melvin pulling on the rope up 23 degrees from horizontal. And so you can break that into your X and Y components. And then we also have the sled being pulled down by gravity, represented here by mg. And then we have our displacement delta x here. So work is defined as the dot product between the force and your displacement vector. Because it's the dot product, the only part components that get multiplied together are the ones that are perfectly parallel, which means since the sled's moving over completely level snow, the only component that matters is the x component. So we have the x component times delta x. And you can get the x component from our right triangle drawn here. We have our x component's the adjacent to the angle, so it's going to be your hypotenuse times the cosine of theta, so that's f cos theta. And so the equation for your work is just your the magnitude of the force times cosine theta times delta x. So and then you just get the answer by plugging all this into your calculator from the knowns here. Just make sure that your calculator is in degree mode since our theta is in degrees. I hope this helped.